Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check my Klarna credit limit. So it's really simple and easy. So there is going to be a very fast one and an easy one. So the first thing that you want to do is if you are using your PC, you could actually check this by installing the browser extension for Klarna. But before we do that, I'm just going to show this quick article to you on the Klarna website here that says how much am I eligible to spend. So if you are looking for the information for a lot of information about Klarna, it's best to check the Klarna website itself. They have a lot of articles here that can actually help you. So here, as you can see, this is your estimated amount to spend, which is your Klarna credit limit. So you can just log into the application and just look for purchase power. So in your PC, you want to go and search for the Klarna browser extension. So just search on Google and browser extension for Klarna, and this is the first output or results that you will see here. So make sure that your link is from klarna.com, that I need to ensure that you actually downloading the correct extension and downloading the virus or malware from the internet. So from here, just click on the add Klarna. Now you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. So just click on the add Klarna now here, and from here, once you've done that, you want to click on the extension button at the top right corner of the screen, and from here you want to go to the Klarna extension here. So once you press that, it's actually pop up a new screen. So I'm gonna show this. As you can see here, you just need to go to your account here and log in. So for example, just here enter your email address, your verification code here, and from here you will see the purchase power. That's where your credit limit is. So credit limit is equal to purchase power, and that's your credit limit. So if you are going to check your purchase power on your phone, that's going to same thing. You just need to log into your account, and once you see the purchase power option there, that's your credit limit. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.